Hey guys, it's Shauna with Just Try to Be Nice, and this is day 3 of my oil pulling experiment. It is, oh gosh, 7:40, and I did have a sip of my tea, but I have not had anything to eat. So I'm going to try this again. Yesterday it did not go well. It did not go bad, but it didn't go well either. I had a really hard time to start, like, jumping off the cliff. And then once I jumped off the cliff, you're supposed to do this for 20 minutes. The first day that I did it, I was like, there's no way I'm going to be able to do it for 20 minutes. I'm going to do it for 15 minutes. And I can't even do it for 15 minutes. The first time I did it, I was able to keep it in there for 13 minutes without my body, before my body was like, and then yesterday it was 12 minutes. So I'm hoping that today I don't spit it out at 11 minutes and that I'm able to keep it in there for the 15 minutes that I'm supposed to. And I saved this yesterday. This is the oil. This is the coconut oil that was in my mouth. And I saved it. I spit it into this. I spit it into these baby wipes that was on top of a cup. And I looked in there and I don't see... It just looks exactly like the stuff that came out of the jar. I didn't see any toxins or anything that shouldn't be in there. So, I don't know. Maybe they're invisible toxins. I was thinking you'd be able to see something, but no. But I will tell you, my teeth are clean, again. Like, normally when I wake up, I have to brush my teeth because they're like, bleh. But they're not doing that. So I woke up this morning and my teeth are fairly clean. And this tooth here, actually no, this tooth here, there's one over here that's been bothering me, but this is the one that's been bothering me for the last couple days. And this tooth here is actually not bothering me. It didn't bother me last night at all. And I even drank a soda, which is rare for me. I usually drink sweet tea, but I was tired, and so I drank a Coke so I could stay up and spend a little extra time with my husband. Because yesterday was crazy. I mowed the lawn. I rescued this lady off the side of the road who'd been in an accident. I had to take her to the hospital. So I was a little like, ugh. And I didn't want to go to sleep at 9 o'clock because then I don't get to spend any time with my husband. So I drank a Coke. And normally when I drink a Coke, I have to put my tongue on top of this tooth. I have to like hold my tongue on top of this tooth and create like a barrier so that like when I drink the Coke that none of the Coke can touch this tooth because it hurts. Oh, it hurts so bad. But last night, as a test, I drank it with the tooth, with my tongue over the tooth first, and that was fine. And then I moved my tongue and drank it, and it didn't affect me at all. Didn't hurt my tooth at all. So it's only been 2 days. Today's the 3rd day, and 2 days in, I notice a difference in this tooth already. So, like, even though I don't really want to do this anymore because it's really hard in my stomach and I don't do well with this, I'm going to stick with it because A, I've accepted the challenge to do it for a week, and B, I don't quit something once I've started, and C, it seems to me like the ends might justify the means. So I'm going to do it again. So I've got my spoon here. I've got my Anna coconut oil that just leaked all over me. It's not supposed to be in liquid form. I think someone might have left my curlers. Yeah, my daughter was borrowing my hot rollers and left them on. And that is why it's all melted, because heat, of course, will melt it. So, you know what, that might actually work in my favor, because I have a really hard time with the whole consistency thing. But if you see this part, I don't know if you can see, I don't want to spill it, but I do want to show you what I mean. Here, let me see if maybe I can just move the camera up a little. Yeah, see? Oop, see that liquid that just poured out of there that wasn't supposed to pour out of there? I think that might actually be a little easier for me, the liquid, because I am having a very, very hard time with the shortening consistency. It tastes like shortening. My mouth, my body is like, why are you ingesting shortening? So, I want to make sure I clean all this up. Oil is not good for your sink, so don't get it in your sink, even by accident. Alrighty, so now I'm going to try to get some of this liquid here in this corner here. I just need a teaspoon of it. It's harder than you would think to get just a teaspoon. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. It's a little more hard to maneuver because it's liquid. So I've got my spoonful. See, I'm just got my spoonful here. And I'm about to put it in my mouth. Come on, Shawnee, you can do this. It's really not that tough. Come on, you can do this. Much easier when it's melted. Much easier. I have an audience.